should I take the IBM data science course to start? Or what should be the start point to get the right skills to start? So Usman, I'm going to assume that you mean starting in data science. If you want to start in data science, don't think about the tools. IBM Cloud, IBM courses, that's just a tool. What you want to do is you want to build up your theory, your understanding of data science. What is it? Why are you pursuing it, right? So I'll bring this up again. Introduction to Statistical Learning. This is an academic book. This is where professional data science begins. Every Sunday, I'm running a course. I've already done 2 weeks. We have 6 more to go. We've been having a great time. So if you want to come on Sundays, 1500 GMT, I think that's a good start. Or go to YouTube. You can look at my course, at my video, a data science roadmap for students. It's a 20-minute long video. And I will say it again, guys. I issue a coding challenge in that video, and nobody has come back to me with it. All right? In the video, I promise to help people that finish that coding challenge, and nobody has done it. So how serious are you guys about data science? But if you want, that's a pretty good place to start. I share how I would study data science now. So, Usman, consider that, but build your theory, right? Build your understanding of data science, and then go get the tools. People jump into code, into all this math and all that way too fast. You gotta learn what you're looking for before you go out and work with it, okay?